What's up, everybody? It's AHT76. Today we are playing this game called Off Track VR. Now this game is like a motocross game. There's Unity and stuff. I'm telling you, it's pretty sick. So you have a whole bunch of bikes to choose from. So I have stick drift. And you just press the button. Or you can choose any. You can even choose a 4-wheeler. But I always go with the scooter because it's a dirt bike, but as a scooter, so it's a scooter dirt bike. And then you just create like a public or private, and when it starts, and then what you do is you grab it, and then what you want to do is you want to press your trigger on the right controller, and then your joystick on the left controller. And then I guess pulling it through. And then if you press the 3 lines button or the handle button on the controller on this one, it will leave the lobby. So it will crash the lobby and then this game will work. But as you can see, I just pressed it and then it takes you back. Make sure you always change it to whatever one you want if you want to save. I'll go with this one. So it kind of looks like a motorbike. Oh, no, not a motorbike. Kind of looks like a, what's it called? A motorbike. Not a dirt bike, a motorbike. And now you can choose any mile. Go like that. So if you want to turn left this way, you want to go like that. If you want to turn right, that way. Yeah. You can also ride with one hand. And you can also do this going in reverse. Okay, and sometimes it doesn't load. As you can see, like it's just stuck. So what you want to do, you want to quit the game. Let's quit the game. And then once you quit the game, you want to click on that. And then it will load up again. And as you can see, this will be a very long video of me just playing it, so you guys can just skip the video if you guys want. And if you guys like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. So I appreciate it if you do. So thank Need to crash the lobby. Okay, this time we'll actually go for a good drive. Oh, we should go for the four-wheeler, maybe. I don't know, you guys comment down below if I should use that four-wheeler. So, join someone's lobby, we'll join the open field.